Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 4th of October 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty closed negative at 19,436.1, down minus 92.65 points. Short build-up seen in Nifty with increased OI 8,480 contracts. Nifty options build-ups. Nifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 19,450, with OI increased by 954.97%. Nifty support or put option OI build-up at 19,350, with OI increased by 231.53%. Banknifty closed negative at 43,964.05, down minus 435 points. Short build-up seen in Banknifty with increased OI 24,933 contracts. Banknifty option build-ups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 44,000, with OI increased by 1,589.28%. Banknifty support or put option OI build-up at 44,000, with OI increased by 277.10%. Cash market positions. FII today sold 4,424.02 CR. DII today bought 1,769.49 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII sold 559.69 CR in index futures. Also sold 40,306 CR in index option. They sold 7,184.98 CR in stocks futures. And sold 188.08 CR in stocks option. Total net sold 48,238.75 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII added 7,763 long contracts and added 14,098 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in index with minus 92,228 contracts compared to previous minus 85,893 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII added 1988 long contracts and added 88,151 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 238,797 contracts compared to previous minus 152,634 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII closed 323,137 call long and closed 139,453 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to minus 462,590 contracts. In index options, FII closed 172,670 put long and closed 311,009 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to minus 483,679 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII is net put long as 557,991 contracts compared to previous 591,208 contracts. And net call long is 339,272 contracts compared to previous 351,400 contracts. Option build-ups on short side is less than long side suggests that downside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position build-ups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, Please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.